Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Importance and applications of coordination compounds. The coordination compounds are of great importance. These compounds are widely present in the mineral, plant, and animal worlds and are known to play many important functions in the area of analytical chemistry, metallurgy, biological systems, industry, and medicine. These are described below. Coordination compounds find use in many qualitative and quantitative chemical analysis. The familiar color reactions given by metal ions with a number of ligands, especially chelating ligands, as a result of formation of coordination entities form the basis for their detection and estimation by classical and instrumental methods of analysis. Example of such reagents include EDTA, DMG, dimethyl glyoxime, alpha nitriso, beta naphthol, cupron, etc. Hardness of water is estimated by simple titration with Na2 EDTA. The Ca2 plus and Mg2 plus ions form stable complexes with EDTA. The selective estimation of these ions can be done due to difference in the stability constants of calcium and magnesium complexes. Some important extraction processes of metals like those of silver and gold make use of complex formation. Gold, for example, combines with cyanide in the presence of oxygen and water to form the coordination entity AuCN whole twice minus power in aqueous solution. Gold can be separated in metallic form from this solution by addition of zinc. Similarly, purification of metals can be achieved through formation and subsequent decomposition of their coordination compounds. For example, impure nickel is converted to NiCO whole 4, which is decomposed to yield pure nickel. Coordination compounds are of great importance in biological systems. The pigment responsible for photosynthesis, chlorophyll, is a coordination compound of magnesium. Hemoglobin, the red pigment of blood which acts as oxygen carrier, is a coordination compound of iron. Vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin, the anti-pernicious anemia factor, is a coordination compound of cobalt. Among the other compounds of biological importance with coordinated metal ions are the enzymes like carboxypeptidase A and carbonic anhydrase, catalyst of biological systems. Coordination compounds are used as catalyst for many industrial processes. Example include rhodium complex, PH3P whole bracket 3 RHCl. A Wilkinson's catalyst is used for the hydrogenation of alkenes. Articles can be electroplated with silver and gold much more smoothly and evenly from solutions of the complexes AgCN whole twice power minus and AuCN whole twice power minus than from a solution of simple metal ions. In black and white photography, the developed film is fixed by washing with hypo solution, which dissolves the undecomposed AgBr to form a complex ion AgS2O3 whole twice power 3 minus. There is growing interest in the use of chelate therapy in medicinal chemistry. An example is the treatment of problems caused by the presence of metals in the toxic proportions in plant or animal systems. Thus, excess of copper and iron are removed by the chelating reagents penicillamine and desphoric oxime B via the formation of coordination compounds. EDTA is used in the treatment of lead poisoning. Some coordination compounds of platinum effectively inhibit the growth of tumors. Example are cisplatin and related compounds. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.